This intermediate wheel, or on a regular cuckoo clock, is called the um, it's called the minute wheel with minute pinion. It's got a compression washer on it. The purpose behind that compression washer is to control your hands. If your hands are dropping, you need to tighten up the compression washer. If your hands are not turning, it could be that the fact that your compression washer is not tight enough. Your clock might tick all day long, but your hands don't turn. And what I would suggest to you in that case is leave the hour pipe off, put this wheel back on along with the washer and the pin that goes in the hole, and then put a black line between the two wheels like I have here, and then put the weight on and make the clock tick to see if that line is going to move. And you have to put the black line on both wheels so you could see whether or not that black line is going to move. In this case right here, it's not moving, and that's because I don't have the washer and the pin on it. Now, let me put the washer and the pin on and show you what happens. Again, I got the hour pipe off so I can explain this. Now there's pressure on this wheel, so let me make it tick now. You see the black lines moving? And now that means your hands are turning. If you don't have enough pressure on that compression washer, your clock could tick all day long, but your hands won't rotate. It's only because I added the washer and the pin to put that much pressure on it to demonstrate for you that it has to have just the right amount of pressure. If it's got too much pressure and you can't rotate the hands easily, you need to loosen it up some. The purpose behind this washer is to make sure this hour pipe don't come off. So I have to put the washer back on and the pin back on. And I like bending these wires so they don't come out. This should be fine there. And maybe a little bit more curve in. So now, again, I'm not going to add another black line, but with the right amount of pressure, as you can see, the lines are moving, and I have to check the hands to make sure they don't drop. And you want to use the hand that comes with the clock, or that is going to go with the clock. This is a heavy hand. It's the hand that Justin Barron card for me. As you see, I can turn it and it's not dropping. And you should also see that the wire is going to trip right at the 12. But I now have to put the count wheel on to make sure this wire is coming out of the count wheel, because I told you that this wire is all part of this system. If this wire is not bent properly, then this lever can't come out of the count wheel. And I have to put this little gear here on, which is for the stretch side grate wheel. So I'll come back.